And then the next part is just to reattach all these ribbon cables. And the last one is just this little power cord here. Just make sure it's in. And that's a DVD drive in one piece. So now, you just put your DVD drive back where it came from. So you grab your DVD drive, plug that back in, clips down there, that folds over like that, and then this cable here goes in here. Just push it in firmly, and that's it. Okay, so next, just put the cover back on. And then put the 7 screws back. So long one goes there, long one there, a long one there, a long one there, a long one in there, and a long one in there, and the short one goes here. Just remember there's an S next to it for short. And then screw them all in. Next, just get your cover in the back, then slide it on. And then just get your PS3 security screw and your PS3 security screwdriver. Screw that on. And put the rubber foot back, and if you want you can put your warranty sticker back, but it's void anyway. And that's it, all done.